I'm Nikki and I'm going to show you how to sublimate your wood MDF jersey using a regular household iron. For this project, you are going to need to print your image on sublimation paper using sublimation ink. Here I'm just cutting it out, getting it ready. Prior to sublimating your jersey blanks, be sure to peel the plastic off the front and back. Place your jersey blank face down on the image printed with the sublimation ink. If your image is not printed using sublimation ink, your earrings are not going to turn out right and you'll be wasting your time. Using heat-resistant tape, keep your jersey blank intact with the image by taping it down. When sublimating, you always want to have your sublimated image on the top and your blank on the bottom when getting ready to heat press it. Here I'm going to be using a regular household iron, like I said, and you're really going to have to play with your iron setting because what I found out is that all irons do not heat the same. I am using the wood settings. You may need to use the cotton settings, but for sure you do not want to use any water, have any water in the iron or steam. I will be pressing and holding for 45 to 55 seconds using heavy pressure. As you can tell, I'm not using my heat pressing pillow because I want to see if it really did make a difference. And yes, it does. So I suggest you use a heat-resistant pillow when making these earrings. So now I'm going to go ahead and sublimate on the other side, repeating the same steps, but this time with a heat-pressing pillow. Don't forget to wear your heat-resistant gloves after pressing because, baby, them jerseys will be hot afterwards. And voila, there you have it, your custom jersey earrings sublimating on the front and back using a regular household iron. You can also use a Cricut Mini Press and a regular heat press. For a recap of the sublimation settings, instructions, information on the supplies used, look in the description box. It would also include where to get the template to create your own. As you can tell, I'm still experimenting and I'm not using my heat pressing pillow this time just to see if it works. And of course not. You will need a heat pressing pillow for this here project. So before you even get started, make sure you go and grab you one. So once you have finished subbing your jersey, go ahead and apply your jump ring and hooks to make it official. Oh boy, look how nice these came out. Now all you have to do is package and give them to that one person who be at the game yelling their heads off because their son ain't got the ball and ran 2 feet. And of course, let's not forget about the dads who think the earrings might be a little bit too much and make them keychains. Yes, you can make these out of keychains as well. The jersey blanks come in 2 sizes, 1.57 inch, which I think is a good size for the earrings, and 1.97 inch for the keychains.
If you would like to see more videos or tutorials like this, please give me a like and follow to let me know I'm not wasting my time.